Once again, our presenter are Miss Tia Santillan, one of the finest lady boy in San Fernando, and Miss Unki Montecarlo, the second runner-up Miss Lit San Miguel 2010. Miguelenans, who's your best for the best in casual wear? Best in casual wear for Miss Ladyboy 2011 goes to country number 6, Miss Anne Curtis. Congratulations.
Kung paano nagbigay ng malaking kontribusyon sa sinaunang Pilipino music maestro.
Palakpak naman po dyan. Para ganahan siya.
Fortino. When I was a little girl, I had a red doll. Only doll I've ever owned. Now I love you just the way I love that red doll. Only now my love is wrong. And it gets fuller everywhere. It gets deeper. Let me say, it gets higher. Deeper day. And you, I love you, oh my. Can't live without you. No higher. If I lost you, would I cry? Oh, I love you, baby, baby, baby. Well, we found that this role for me is so
Shakira.
Let's give her a big round of applause.
You're a good soldier, choosing your battle. Pick yourself up and dust yourself off and back in the saddle. You're on the front line, everyone's watching. You know it's serious, we're getting closer, this isn't over. The pressure's on, you feel it, but you got it all, believe it. When people get up, oh, if people get up, cause this is Africa. This time for Africa. Listen to your time, this is our motto. Your time to shine, don't wait in line, it almost went over. People are raising their expectations. Go on, be and this is your moment, no hesitation. Today's your day, I feel it. Take the way, believe it. If you get down, get up, oh. If you get down, get up, hey. This time for Africa. Waka, waka, hey. This time for Africa.
Let's give her a big round of applause.
This time for Africa. This time for Africa. This time for Africa. We're all African. We're all African.
Okay, thank you very much, Marilyn.